Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on ALB Outdoors. Today I'm taking out the kayak on Misery Bay in Erie, Pennsylvania and using one of the best lures in my opinion for catching the yellow perch, the trout magnet. Join me as I head out onto the waters on a cool summer day as I see how many fish I can catch. What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're in Misery Bay in Lake Erie and we're heading out on the bay here. We tried the lagoon earlier this morning and I was throwing big Senkos and stuff like that and I wasn't catching anything, so we're going back to the ultralight setup. I know I use this a lot, but it's my skunk buster, and we're gonna head out about 200 feet ish out there. I was just out there and I caught a bunch of perch and some bass, so hopefully the camera, they don't get camera shy and we catch some things. I'm throwing this pink trout magnet on 4-pound line with just a little bit of a small split shot on it. So I saw a lot of perch out here, a ton of perch, like too many to even count. So I'm hoping that so we can pull up here. I haven't caught much perch in a while. See, I'm just gonna just reel it in and jig it. Just keep it off the bottom and eventually we'll come up with something here. This bay is not that deep. It's only about probably 5 or 6 feet from this point. We're a good probably 150 feet out from the shore. I think we got one right now. Oh, no, I think we're snagged on something. Yeah, we're snagged on a weed. Yeah, we're caught on some plants. There we go, got it back. The nice thing about kayak fishing is that if you happen to get snagged, it's really easy to just unsnag yourself because you can actually go out without getting wet. Something was just following that. Didn't bite though. I'm gonna cast out here and see if I can get it back. Wonder what that is. I think it's a bluegill or like a small bass. Gotta turn around. Got one. Ooh. Big ass bluegill. Whew. Yeah, baby. That's a chunky bluegill. Look at him. Let's see if I can show you guys off. Look at that bluegill. As healthy looking. We'll get him going. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Little baby perch. I guess I was by one of their beds or something. I was just annoying them until they bit. There we go. Just making sure I'm still filming. Looks like you've been caught before. Beautiful fish. I caught a bigger one just earlier before I was recording. And that one was probably another 4 inches bigger. Wind's taking me way out this way. Got one. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a nice perch right there. Nice. Another nice perch. Kind of found where they're all at. They're by this, they're in line with where this log is over here. There you go, folks. Another yellow perch. There you go. This one's much bigger. Still not as big as the other one I caught, but it is beautiful nonetheless. There it is. We got a good one. This is a, looks like a bass. There it is, folks. That's a nice one. Oh, we got him good. Glad that we were able to get at least one of those today. And then go. There we go, got one. Oh, it's a nice perch. It's a nice perch. Whoa! This guy's freaking out. Oh, I probably got him on the gills a little bit. Oh, there we go. He's one of those guys that freaks out a little bit. Perch. This guy's they're getting better in size as we go out. Now, if I was doing a catch and cook, I'd keep these, but we're going out on a boat tomorrow, and we're gonna have so much meat, like walleye meat, that I don't even know what to do with this if I were to keep any of these perch. Just reach it, and there we go. Oh, got one. Another perch. This is a good size one too. Oh, don't lose him. Another perch. Whoa. Oh, and there he goes. Well, that's okay. That saved the process. I count that as a catch. We got him in the boat and everything. That was another one, about the same size as the last one. They're crushing this. They seem to be crushing the lime green one over the pink one that I initially started with. Whoa.